How to share screen on WhatsApp video call. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Once you do that, navigate to any chat. After that, make a video call. Once you are there, from the options list at the bottom, click on the icon at the left that shows a phone with an arrow within. Once you do that, the screen will be shared with the person that you are having a video call with. So that was it for this tutorial. That's how to share screen on WhatsApp video call. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.